Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. Please open your book of Oxford New Countdown, Book 1. I am teacher of math of grade 1. Please open page number 96. Before starting work on this page, first of all, write date Thursday, 17 December 2020. After writing date, we will have to complete work that is given on this page. Okay, students. Question number 7 is multiply and find the answer. Multiply and find the answer. Multiply and find the answers. Look at here. Number first is 5 times 2. 5 is here. This is sign of multiplication. It means times. It means times. So 5 times 2. So we will have to make 5 groups of 2. Look at here. Like this way. 5 times 2. 2 is here. 1 time 2. Second time 2. Third time 2. And fourth time 2. And fifth time 2. You can say like this way: 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, and 2 5s are 10. And 5 groups of 2 mean 5 times 2 mean 5 1s are 5 and 5 2s are 10. Answer is 10. You will write here 10. Next one question is, you will write here 10. Next one, B part is 6 times 2. You will have to learn 6 is here and multiplication means times. 6 times 2. Here is 2. 1 time 2. Second time 2. Third time 2. Fourth time 2. Fifth time 2. And here is 6 times 2. 6 times 2 means 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, and 2 6s are 12. You can spell like this way. You can here is 6. You can read table of 6 till 2. 6 1s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. You will write answer here 12. Like this way, we will have to complete this C part. 8 times 2. 8 times 2. 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are, you will read table of it. 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 9 1s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 2 9s are 18. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay, students. Next question number 2 has been done. Question number D is statement is given here. After reading statement, you will have to find answer. 3 girls have 2 sweets each. How many sweets altogether? In my class, I am calling 3 girls. I am calling 3 girls. I am standing in my class and I am calling 3 girls. I am giving 2 sweets to one girl, 2 sweets to another girl, and 2 sweets to third girl. How many sweets altogether? How many sweets altogether? How can we come to know? I will write 3 here like this way. 3 here. I will write 3 here. Multiplication, and I will write 2 here. After writing, I will read table of 2 till 3. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and 2 3s are 6. I will write 6 here. Next one, 5 birds. Look at here. 5 birds are on a tree. 5 birds are sitting on a tree. How many wings altogether? Each bird has 2 wings. 5 birds are here. We will come to know if one bird is 2, second is 2, third is 2, fourth is 2, and fifth is 2. So we can say, you will write 5 here and you will write 2 here. So you will have to read 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and 2 5s are 10. You will write here 10. 2 5s are 10. So wings of birds are 10. First of all, before doing this work, make a circle around these numbers like this way with your pencil. Look at here. First of all, make a circle. Make a circle. Look at here. Make a circle. And wings, 2 wings, you will write here 2. Next question is 8. Question number 8 is, look at here, this is F part. Question number 8 is, look at here, 8 hens. 8 hens in a farm. How many feet altogether? How many feet? One hen has 2 feet. So 8 hens have, first of all you will write here 8 and then you will write here 2. Then you will have to read table of 2 till 8. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16. Answer is 16. Okay students, after watching this video, you will be able to do these sums that are given on page number 96. Okay students, after doing this work, you will have to write part F in your notebook. In your notebook, I am helping you. How can you do this part? How can you do this part? Look at here. You will prepare page like this way. Homework, Thursday, 17 December 2020. Topic is multiplication, page number 96. Question number F is 8 hens in a farm. Look at here. This question is 8 hens in a farm. How many feet altogether? This is a statement, so I am putting question answer. Okay, this is question. Okay, this statement is after writing, you will write like this way. You will write like this way. Okay students, you will have to prepare page and like this prepare page like this way, and you will have to complete this sum like this way in notebook of math. If you are feeling any difficulty in doing this question, look at here, I am showing you this is complete question. It will be easy for you. Look at here. If you are doing any difficulty, you can discuss with me. Thank you so much.